Santo. But, oh, sorry. The project proved much more difficult than expected. Most test, most test cases came out of a formless, half-dead species of flesh that did not resemble Mew in any way. Oh, Dittos! That's where Dittos come from. One of these early failures was particularly nasty. Though equally as erratic and disgustingly shapeless, that's a Ditto as the others. This newborn monster had inherited Mew's strength. What? It broke out! It broke free from its test tube and escaped the lab, killing several of the earlier specimens in its wake. That was a weird Ditto. Yeah, that was a like glitching Ditto. This little incident became known as the catastrophe.